Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Marianne Nails recently sent me 5 of their stamping plates to review, and in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing the 4th plate, which is plate number 30. So a big thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these plates to review. You can find all the information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'll be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I'll be, as always, using the clear head. My scraper. I also have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be starting with the white coloured nail tip. I'm going to be using a very new blue stamping polish which I've recently purchased, which I've actually used way too much of for this image. And then because it's a small image, I will remove any excess with my lint roller. Now this is an absolutely fantastic small design, it's so pretty. For the second swatch I'll be using a nude nail tip and a copper brown stamping polish. Now the reason I'm doing this design is in the photo swatches it didn't really show up just how beautiful this image actually is. It was very dark, so I thought it's a good opportunity to do it again in this section. For the third swatch I'm going to be using a green coloured nail tip and black stamping polish. This is a really nice word image. Now I know that I want to actually use this for a couple of winter manis later on in the year, as I don't tend to use word images for winter manis. Moving on to the 4th swatch, and I'll be using a light blue nail tip along with my favourite dark blue stamping polish. I did a lot of snowflake design manis last year for winter manis, so this will definitely be one that I would be doing for the winter season coming. It is just an awesome design. On to my 5th swatch, and I'll be using a white nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. Now I don't think I've actually ever seen an image like this one before. It is so beautiful. Again, it's another image that I really want to use for a mani. And then here they are all together. Now I don't actually think I can pick a favourite, I love them all so much. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I have created. Marianne Nails stamping plate number 30 is Christmas winter inspired, and it's absolutely gorgeous. There are 20 large style images at the top, and then there are 26 smaller designs at the bottom as well. Now I know what you're thinking, a Christmas winter plate in March, really? I personally love buying seasonal plates out of seasons. For me, it's just so much easier. I hate having to race around to purchase them at different seasons throughout the year. So having a nice stock of them beforehand really helps me. I am actually already looking at summer and Halloween plates, and I know that makes me sound a little bit crazy. I just like to be really prepared, and as this is a new stamping plate from Marianne Nails, it was only released February time I think this year. It would be definitely one that I'll be reaching for first when winter arrives. There is 3 designs on plate 30 that fit so well together. There is 2 on one row, and then there's one further up. It's the snowman, winter house and Christmas tree. It's got sort of like a swirly image on it as well. Putting them all together for a mani would look amazing, and definitely one that I do really want to try out. I just use the same stamper as I did before from the live swatches. I personally love how easy these 5 plates were to use. They will be great for any level of nail stamper, and with such stunning designs they're really going to make some beautiful manis. If you've missed any of the other stamping plate swatch reviews from these 5, you can find them along with all of my other Marianne Nails stamping plate reviews in the Marianne Nail playlist here on my channel. I still have one more to bring to my channel from these 5 though. So on to the mani, and I just want to take this opportunity to show you my new flexi finger hand. She will be helping me out with tutorials and manis, as I make so many manis. In 2017 alone, I made over 260 manis. I'll still be doing them on me as well, as I know she's not to everybody's taste, but this is how I've designed her to look on my photos. So for the mani, I used a pearlized blue gel polish and I stamped in pearl white, and I just used 2 different snowflake designs, and I love how this looks. I'll definitely be doing this mani again for the winter season for me, that's for sure. But it's very, very pretty, and I love how the flexi hand looks. You'll find all of my swatches from the live and the photo swatches along with my mani over on my Instagram page in the next few days. I've left Marianne Nails' social media links and my Instagram page link in the description box below, so head over and check them out. And once again, thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these stamping plates to review. They are stunning. Thank you for watching my swatch review on Marianne Nails stamping plate number 30. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.